Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informative video. Sorry, I'm still sick. I'm still recovering. I don't know what's up. Probably the cold weather out there, but it is what it is. So if I pause a couple times, it's from coughing. Sorry about that. But let's get into today's video. This is through Visible Wireless. So of course, Visible Wireless, it's one of the carriers I use. It's actually a really good carrier. It uses Verizon towers, and it's basically by Verizon, kind of like what Cricket Wireless is with AT&T. Same thing with Visible Wireless. Same thing with Verizon. It even tells right here Verizon's 5G and 4G networks for little as $30 a month. So there's two plans, $30 a month, gets you limited talk, text, and data, no priority data. And then of course you can get 45, gives you priority data and all that good stuff. But right now we're talking about this really nice Valentine's kind of day deal they have going on. You can get it right now. It says 30% off select phones. So not all the phones, but select phones and a gift card. So it says streaming. Fall in love with this deal. Get 30% off select phones. Like I said, it's not going to be all the phones, but select ones. And get a gift card worth up to $200 when you switch. So of course, if you switch over to Visible Wireless right now from a competing carrier, you can get a $200 basically virtual gift card. And you can save 30% off phone, which is a really nice deal. Of course, here's going to be the terms and conditions for this. It says, get a virtual gift card when you switch to Visible. Join Visible and create your account. Transfer your number for an eligible carrier within 30 days of transaction. Set up your SIM and activate. After completing 3 full months of service payments, you will receive an email, which I've done before, and it's true, it does work, with a code to redeem your virtual gift card. And then, of course, you can use that to purchase anything online or anything like that. It says visible.com/deals/choose your own gift card. Of course, here's this disclosure. It ends on the 16th. So a couple days from making the video, about 4 days. Of course, it says new members who purchase a qualifying device. So if you purchase a phone from Visible Wireless, transfer your existing number from an eligible carrier within 30 days, activate their Visible service, and complete 3 full months of service payments, you will be eligible for that card. So pretty cool, guys. Really nice promotion. It works. So let's go ahead and shop phones. Kind of how I hate how I sound so nasally, I guess. Here's all the phones. Of course, they will be getting the S23s, and you can finance them through Affirm. So if you do qualify for Affirm, you can get this deal. So, or should I say, you can finance these phones. Sorry, with Affirm. So pretty cool. The A23 5G is another phone coming in. So you can see it says Affirm paying 4 or as low as $24.92 a month for 12 months. 0% APR. So pretty cool. But here's some of the phones. The Pixel 6a of $450, you get it for $314 with 30 cents, which is really nice. Like I say, you can do 4 payments, so you divide that by 4, or as low as $26.19 for 1 year. Of course, they do have the iPhone 14s, but those are not on sale, or at least not discounted. Usually the iPhones are not, but the Androids usually are. So you can see there's the new A14 5G, $200. This one will give you a $100 gift card. You also have to see here which ones give you. So not all of them are going to give you that $200 gift card. It'll tell you down here and give you some more details. So this one, 14 will give you $150. You have to, like I said, be from an eligible carrier. Here's going to be the list of eligible carriers that you can transfer your number over. So here it is. You can pause it, guys, but these are all the eligible carriers that you have to transfer your number over to qualify for this. So there are a couple of requirements, but overall it's good promo. So like I said, some of these are up to 200, like this one's 200. Some of these, depending off the value of the phone, you know, it could be 100 all the way to 200. So usually, man, this cough just won't let up. So like I said, usually it goes from 100 all the way to like 200. So different phones, different prices. But here are some of the ones that I'm showing you guys. Really good discounts, affordable phones, and you can finance them. So like I said, overall, it's a good thing to switch over to Visible Wireless and get these promo deals. But overall, guys, like I said, just showing you some of the phones. They have a big variety. You can even get a free phone, free with a swap. It's the Visible Midnight. So this phone, as long as you send them a phone, I think valued at least $5 or something like that. before I think it didn't even matter if it was cracked. They would just give you a free phone. You can get this free, so with the swap, so not too bad at all. And here's the swap. It says your old phone is free, shiny, the new one. So it says we'll trade your new phone for yours. If it doesn't work visible, it's not quite magic, but it's close. So basically, as like I said, as long as you trade in the phone, you can get this phone right here, visible midnight. I know they were giving a different one before. I think I still have it. So you have to check if your phone qualifies, choose your new phone, sign up for visible, transfer your number, and send your old phone when the new one comes in. So overall, it's a pretty cool deal. I've done this before and gotten a free phone, so not too much news today, guys. But like I said, this is a pretty nice 30% off deal if you want to go and switch to Verizon's network and get it up to a $200 gift card. It's a Visa virtual prepaid card. You can purchase anything with it, so pretty cool. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment and subscribe. Like I said, hopefully next time I'm making these videos, I won't be all nasally and will be better. So thank you.